This one is a big uncut sheet. If you have a factory in your country, you can consider to buy this one from us. This is the package of uncut sheet. No matter what kind of disease, what kind of test uncut sheet you need, we can supply to you. All test is coated by this uncut sheet. Now we can supply HIV uncut sheet, FOB uncut sheet, pregnancy test uncut sheet, many different kind of uncut sheet. In this way, you can save a lot of free charges, and you can save your local customers' tax. If you need an uncut sheet, also can let me know.